welcome. Today in front of me REALME GT Neo 2 and I'll show you how to disable ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. Right there you can see the ringtone section. Just to disable the ringtone volume, swipe with your finger this dot to the left side, by this way. And also we got the second way how you can do that, but be sure that your volume button function will just select it here to the ringtone volume, and here just go to the your volume buttons here on the left side of your device, and now just press your down volume button, and as can you see we just disable our ringtone volume. And the third way, let's just press to your up or down volume button, and here go to these three dots, and here as can you see we got the panel of our ringtone. Just swipe with your finger to the down, and you can also just turn off your ringtone volume. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.